Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? I am here for a quick video. This is a follow-up from the last year's collaboration that I participated in, which is the Julie Nutting doll stamp collab. And in December, on the last one that I posted, I mentioned that I was going to have a giveaway. And in order to participate in the giveaway, you had to watch all 12 of the series, all 12 months, in order to be a winner. And when I went through the list, I had quite a few comments. I had 4 pages worth of people who commented, but not everybody watched everything. So I had 2 people who watched all 12 and didn't miss any. Well, didn't miss make a comment, because I know some people probably watched it and might have forgot to make a comment. I had quite a few. They had 11 months, but I had only 2 that watched all 12 months. So what I was going to do is I'm just going to go ahead, instead of just picking one winner, since there's only 2 people, I'm just going to go ahead and give both of them some goodies, since I need to get rid of some stuff out of my craft room anyway. And I did have a couple of duplicates of the Julie Nutting dolls. I just got this from Perry-Ann. I bought it for the purpose of giving it away. And this is the Taylor stamp, and then this one is the Toby stamp, and this is a duplicate of the dress and skirt and the angel that I had. So I'm gonna split that in half plus some other goodies and give that to them. So the 2 winners that I have are Mo Creations and Relax and Scrap. So ladies, if you could hit me up and give me your address, you can PM me and give me address, and I will be sending you out a goodie bag. Can you even see that? A goodie bag. Probably be a week, because I gotta help somebody move this weekend, so it probably would be next weekend before I can mail it. Before I can get to the post office during the day to mail it. So give me to probably next Saturday, but I will PM you back once I ship it out. But give me your address and I will get that out to you guys. And let me know what your favorite doll is. If I have it, I will also stamp out some of those images for you as well. So anyway, I just really want to say I appreciate you guys for really watching the whole series. It was a fun series. And you know, again, to Mo and to Melissa and to Mo Creations and Relax and Scrap, if you guys will let me know your address, and if you have a favorite doll and if I have it, I will stamp it out for you, some images as well. All right, so thanks for liking and subscribing and watching, and I dare you to be creative. All right, bye-bye.